Namaste ji. Today we are going to learn 5 basic mudras that you can use to balance your elements. Basically, mudras are the hand gestures that can lead energies. According to Hinduism or our ancient practices, each of our finger represents one of the 5 elements, the Panch Tattva. Our thumb represents fire, Agni. Our index finger represents air, Vayu. Our middle finger represents ether and space, Akasha. Ring finger represents earth, Prithvi. And our little pinky finger represents water, Jal, also known as Varun in Sanskrit. The more we are in tune with these elements, the more health and well-being we gain. First we will start with Vayu Mudra for air element. For this, fold your index finger and place it inside the base of your thumb, and then place your thumb on the back of your index finger, keeping the rest of the fingers straight. This mudra helps in regulating excess air in the body. It improves blood circulation and digestion in our body. By reducing the air, it also treats pain caused from inflammation like joint pains. You can do it for 15 minutes. Next is Akash Mudra, representing the element ether in space. For this, bring the tip of your middle finger and thumb finger together, creating a circle, and keep other fingers straight. It increases the space element in your body, which means giving more room to other elements to increase too. It helps in managing blood pressure, bone health and flexibility. It can be used as a restorative practice for the problems like osteoporosis. And also it helps in weight management and secretion of thyroid gland. Just keep few things in mind. Do it in the morning and never do it while standing or while walking. And now the third mudra is Prithvi Mudra, representing the element earth. For this, touch the tip of your ring finger with the tip of your thumb, keeping other fingers straight. By practicing this mudra, your energy levels will increase. The prana in the body will set to flow easily from the base of your spine. And when the body is energized with prana, it helps in building strength and endurance. And as earth element is related to the human body tissues, hence with the practice of Prithvi Mudra, your muscles, your tendons, internal organs, cartilages, bones, hairs, etc. are all being taken care of. And also, it helps you in meditation and keeps you grounded. Now the fourth one is Agni Mudra, representing the element fire. This mudra is also known as Surya Mudra. For this, fold your ring finger into your hand so that its tip touches the base of your thumb. Then place your thumb on top of your ring finger with a light pressure so that the thumb creates a dominance of the element fire, and keep other fingers straight. This mudra stands for energy in our organs. If we don't have enough prana or life force to start something new, we can active energy by using this mudra. Surya Mudra is also great at boosting your metabolism, regulate your heat and increase your energy in cold and dark seasons. Now the final mudra representing the water element is Varun Mudra. For this mudra, lightly bring the tip of your little finger and tip of your thumb together, keeping other fingers extended. This mudra is believed to enhance the water element in your body, which takes care of your problems like dehydration, dryness of skin, hair, eyes and mouth, digestive problems like constipation. It also helps with blood related problems and liver disorders. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys like it. I hope it's helpful and adds some value to your life. See you soon. Until then, Om Namah Shivaya.